Hi guys, welcome back to Creative Glam. If you're new here, my name is Sharon. If you're returning, thanks and welcome back. Hit that subscribe button below along with the notification bell. You know the drill, hit it twice so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Today on Creative Glam, I'm participating in a collaboration called Chelles Fall Challenge, and it's being hosted by Chelles Glam Home. She has a wonderful channel here on YouTube. If you have not had the opportunity to see her channel, I will leave a link below in the description box. Click that link and it'll take you directly to Chelles' channel and tell her Sharon from Creative Glam sent you. There's not a lot of requirements to this collaboration other than we not spend more than $20 and that, what did she say, you must add a little touch of Chelles to your project. So I'm gonna do my best to add a little touch of Chelles to my project. Luckily, I didn't have to spend anything because I already had all the items that I need to complete this project. The project that I'm doing today is going to be a mirrored tray using Dollar Tree items. So let's get started. The things that you'll need to complete this project all came from the Dollar Tree. You'll need 10 mirrored photo frames, the 2.5 by 3.5. You'll need 6 5-inch mirrors from the Dollar Tree. You'll need some mirrored glass effect spray paint. You'll need your glue gun, glue sticks, pliers, E6000, a box cutter, and foam core board. Let's get started. I took the photo frames outside and spray painted the back silver, and while those are drying, I am going to get my board cut. I use the mirrors to mark where I want to cut. I'll clean the mirrors when I'm done. Otherwise, I'm just going to drive myself insane. So I spray painted the back of the photo frames silver so it matches better with the mirrored tray. This way, if you're looking at the tray from an angle or from above, it all blends in nicely. Okay guys, we're all done. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful, just as I had envisioned. I think I added a little Chelles in there. I hope I hit the mark. I think it turned out really pretty. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. And I want to thank Chelles of Chelles Glam Home for inviting me to participate in her challenge. My mirrored tray from Dollar Tree turned out absolutely beautiful. At least I think so. And if you think so too, hit the subscribe button below along with the notification bell. Hit that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, and I upload new videos twice a week. And on that note, you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time, right here Bye!